Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to solve the second layer of 3x3. This only includes 4 pieces, which is going to make it really fast, and 2 algs you gotta learn. So this is going to be a fast video, and we'll get right into it. Any questions, leave them below in the comment section, and I'll check them out. So let's get into the 2 algs we gotta solve. Let's pay attention to this piece. Orange and blue. Make sure there's no yellow on it, because yellow belongs in the last layer face. If it has yellow on it, then it's not a piece that you put in here. But anyways, blue, orange, we have orange facing towards you. That's the main color, meaning we gotta attach that to the center color. So it's not matching. It's not matching. And you keep going until it matches. Now here's blue. This is green, and this is blue. So that means this piece belongs here. Now we gotta learn the alg, so the piece that is on top goes on the right side right here. It goes like this. Pretty simple and really easy to learn. Let's do this one now. You see it's red and blue. So we attach it to the red center. And then here's blue that goes here. Now we're going on the left side. So basically we're doing the opposite of the alg I just showed you. So it goes like this. There we go. Pretty simple to learn the alg. If you know one of them, then you do basically the opposite on the other side. Here we go to the other one. It's already attached to red, and it's green, which belongs over here. The way I learned this alg was just remembering that you do that, and the way you know you did it right when it makes like this pair. You see these 2 colors and these 2 colors are solved, and it has white right here. Now you rotate it so the color on top is now facing towards you, and you move it so now facing you, and you with 3 moves you insert this and like that. I'll push the piece in without messing anything up on the last one. Here's the last one. Green and orange, which belongs in here. So it's really simple. Let me show you again. Okay. Pay attention to this piece. We have blue and red. And we gotta match it with blue. It's facing towards me. This is right here. And red is right here. So this goes on the right side, meaning we use the alg that makes the piece go on the right side. It's the logic. That's one. Here's another one. It has green and orange, which is right here. Another one that goes on the right side. Now I see there's no pieces on the top that doesn't have yellow. You see these 2 have yellow and these 2 have yellow. But that means we don't use any of the edges up here. These 2 edges are inside the wrong pieces, the wrong places on them. So the way to take them out is simple. Once again, now you gotta treat it like this belongs in here. So you could take this out. So if you have it facing you on the right side, you use the red alg. If it's facing to you on the left side, you use the left alg. Really simple. Now it's out. And now you insert it in the right place. On the right side, so it's the red alg. And it took this one out, which belongs in here, which is also on the right side. Pretty easy. If you know one alg, you're basically gonna know how to do the other one, because it's like the opposite. Also make sure you don't ruin anything up on the right side, the white face, because if you do, then you gotta do white side all over again, then you gotta do these. I'm gonna show you this as well. It flips. Once again, just do the same exact thing I showed you. It's facing me on the right side, so I do the righty alg. I'm gonna do the left out because I didn't have a chance to get that for this example. But anyways, oh, I messed it up. Yeah. There you go, now it's out. It's red, blue goes in here. Once again, pay attention, it makes this kind of bar. Not bar, makes this pair. Like that. Always pay attention to the cube when you do a move, so you don't accidentally turn it to the wrong side. And this is a really quick video, like what I said. Hope you enjoyed. Once again, any questions, leave them down below. The next part will be on the last layer, which is going to be the longest and hardest part of the 3x3.